Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Steve James from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about Python using GUI, Graphical User Interface, and I'm going to create an app like a basic calculator so it can be perform its arithmetic options. Come, let's get into the video and see a detail about it. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to import star. Import star is nothing but we are calling all the functions from the Tkinter here, Tkinter module, and I'm going to import message box from the Tkinter module here. Now I'm going to create when a variable and an object which may be used as a cursor, and now I'm going to give the title for the calculator as basic calculator, and I'm going to create a window with a geometry of 1350 into 900. And now I'm going to create here three labels so that I will be getting three variables here. So two for the input and one for the output here. So I have created here, and I'm going to give the text as enter that first number, and I'm going to give the color in red so that we can use it through a label function. And then we should create a grid here so that we can get the inputs and the outputs. And now I'm going to create three variables named num1, num2, num3 using double variable character function. And I'm gonna use entry function here so that when the value gets in, it will be taken to the num and it will be executed through that. And here I'm gonna create six different functions here so that I will be able to perform the arithmetic operations. And I'm gonna do it through try and except function, because so that if I get any error also, it will be a don't giving us an error, and it will be playing like a message box. And I have used the get function here so that I will be getting the variables from the user in A and B, and I'm going to use C for getting the result for here, and I'm going to use set function, and I'm going to set it to the num3, and it will be printed there, the product is. And again, the message box will be showing an error if the value will be different, or it's not an integer type of value. And I have created several functions like here. And here in this, I have created a button to press so that we can choose which option we need to pick. And I have used button function here, and I have given the name here. And I have used the command to which action it should be done, so that I have used my user-defined functions here to be assigned. And after that, I'm closing my program with when main loop function. Come, let's see the program, how it runs. Yeah. Look here, my basic calculator has been opened, and this is my basic calculator, and I can perform several actions here. So that I'm going to be create a 10, 5 here. So if I get the add function here, it will be 15 here. Now the sum is 15 here. And so if I want to multiply also, it will be giving the sum like 50. If I did any errors, means it will be not throwing an error, it will be give the message box here, divisor should not be 0, or otherwise check the input here, or check the data type like that. Yeah, this is my program through GUI in Python. Hope this video will be helpful. Thank you.